Sup guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a programming question called group anagrams. This is considered a medium level question and the problem description goes like this. Given an array of strings, group anagrams together. So here we have an example and the input is an array of strings with the words eat, tea, tan, ate, gnat, and bat. And the output is an array separated into three parts, with the first part being ate, eat, and tea, the second part being gnat and tan, and the third one being bat. And these words are all separated in this manner because they have the same letters in each of the words. And if they are rearranged, they can become the same words. So for example, if we swapped the N and the T in gnat, it will become tan. And the second word in that list is also tan, so that means that they are anagrams. Another example of an anagram could be cinema and Iceman, so you get the idea. So to solve this problem, what we can do is sort all of the words in the array, because if we sort the words in the array, we can see which words have the same length and the same letters, and if they have the same length and same letters, that means it can be rearranged in a way that it becomes an anagram of each other. So those words would be anagrams. And then we can group them in our dictionary. And the dictionary's key is going to be the sorted word, while the dictionary's values are going to be all of the words that are the same when they're alphabetically sorted. All right, now let's write our algorithm out in Python. The first thing we're going to do is create our dictionary so that we can store all of our anagrams, and we're going to call it anagrams and set two curly braces to indicate that we want to initialize a dictionary. Now we're going to loop through all of the items in the array. So for I in strs, and while we loop through all of the items in the array, we want to sort the words that are in the array. So our sorted word is going to be ... join sorted I. We added double quotes .join sorted I, or single quotation marks, because we want it to be a string, and when it gets sorted it becomes a list. So the quotation mark .join function just makes it into a string. And now we are ready to store our anagrams in the dictionary. To store the anagrams into the dictionary, the first thing we have to check and see is if the sorted word already exists as a key in the anagrams dictionary. If the sorted word already exists as a key in the anagrams dictionary, we are going to append the non-sorted word into that value of the corresponding key, because that means that it is an anagram of that sorted value. If the sorted word is not in the anagrams dictionary, then we will just add that sorted word as a key and the non-sorted word as the value. So to write it out in code, we're going to have sorted if sorted word is in anagrams at sorted word would be appended with the unsorted word. And otherwise, anagrams at sorted word would equal to the unsorted word. And now we're going to loop through all of our results and just return it. So result is equal to empty list for kv in anagrams dot iter items, and that's how we iterate through the items in the dictionary. And we will append the value into the result because that's all we need to know which are the anagrams, and then we will return the results. Now let's try to run the code and see how it goes. So it looks like I had to make this into a list in order to be able to append it later. So let's try that again. And here we have our answer. We have our output of tan, nat, as an anagram, then bat by itself, and then eat, tea, and ate as anagrams, because if you rearrange all those words, it becomes AET. And those are anagrams of each other. And that is our solution to the grouping anagrams problem. I hope you enjoyed this approach. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.